looks like a big snail with a very orange foot, and it's just kind of sitting there, but I'll bet if we film it for a while and then speed it up, we'll see it moving. Hi, my name is Chris, and I am the Director of Photography for Discovery Cube. Welcome to my office. So today we're working on trying to capture footage from tide pools, but in a different way. Normally you can just look at the tide pools from above, you can kind of peek down into them, but you never get down inside underneath the water really. So we're using special cameras to get down under the water and sort of explore these hidden worlds that are under these little tide pools. Things that we didn't even know were there. Little creatures, little critters, plants and animals and structures and caves and crabs. All sorts of cool stuff. Wow, the crab is attacking the anemone and the anemone is like fighting it back. The biggest challenge of having a tide pool as your office and trying to get work done here is probably just the conditions. You've got salt water, you've got tides coming in and splashing you. Might be done with this one. So there's a lot of challenges just from a weather point of view. There, I'll try that for a little while. Can't see what the camera sees, so we just kind of go on faith. But then the equipment is also an enormous challenge because it doesn't like salt water. Cameras don't like salt water, but you've got to stick them down in there. This camera back here is able to see really close to things, so they look huge on the screen, and it's all going to go into an exhibit at Discovery Cube.